we knew that there were only 27 students in the class. So when we looked at the totals for carrots, cucumbers, and tomatoes, that there must be some overlap, otherwise the sum of those would be higher than 27. So we figured out that there were 5 students who put all 3 on their salad. And we figured out that by using that 5 and taking it away from our other numbers, we could get to how many were in each group. So if there were 14 people who took carrots and 5 of them had all 3, that left 9 other people who had carrots. It said the clue was that 7 took carrot and cucumber, and we already knew that 5 of them took carrot, cucumber, tomato, so that meant that there had to be 2 people who took carrot and cucumber. The other clue was that 9 people took tomato and carrot, and again, if 5 took all 3, then that meant 4 people had to take carrot and tomato. So 5 plus 4 plus 2 is 11, so that meant that there had to be 3 people who took just carrot. Then we did the same thing with cucumber. The clue was 13 people took cucumber, and again, we knew that 5 took all 3. So we looked at the clue, and it said that 7 people took carrot and cucumber. So if 5 took all 3, that meant that 2 people took cucumber and carrot. And the clue was that 8 people took cucumber tomato. If 5 took all 3, that meant 3 people took cucumber tomato. Then we figured out the missing number of just cucumber was 3. Finally, tomato we kind of already had from the other combinations. We knew that 5 took all 3. We knew that 4 people took tomato and carrot. And we knew that 3 people took cucumber and carrot. We added those up, and we had 12, so that meant that 4 people took just tomato. So after we had the chart filled in, we had to figure out how many students took no toppings. So there were 27 students in all, and that first clue was really clear. It said that 5 students took all 3, so we just took those 5 off right away. And that left 22 students. Then we looked at the ones who just took 1 topping, which was the missing numbers that we filled in earlier. So we figured out that there was 3 carrots, 3 cucumbers, 4 tomatoes, so altogether that would be 10 people who took 1 topping. And then we just had to figure out how many people took 2 topping combinations. There were 2 people who took cucumber and carrot, and 4 people who took tomato and carrot, and there were 3 people who took cucumber and tomato. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Yep, and altogether that equaled 9. So we did the 12 minus the 9, and we found out that there are 3 students out of the 27 who took no toppings.